In this captivating tale, we'll follow the brave and curious children known as the Little Investors as they embark on a thrilling quest into the realm of investment land. Get ready to be inspired, entertained, and enlightened as we unravel the secrets of financial freedom and the power of compounding. Once upon a sunny morning, in their favorite park, the little investors are playing and exploring, their eyes filled with curiosity and dreams. Little do they know that today will be the beginning of an extraordinary adventure. As they giggle and frolic, Mr. Moneybag, the wise and mysterious teacher, approaches with a glimmer in his eye and a sparkling treasure map in his hand. Mr. Moneybag gathers the children around him and unveils the secrets of investment land. He explains that this enchanted realm holds the power to transform their shiny coins into magical money trees. These trees, he reveals, have the ability to grant them financial freedom and time freedom, the key to living their dreams. Curious Lily, the bravest of the little investors, asks about the process of growing these magical money trees. Mr. Moneybag smiles warmly and explains that the first step is to save their coins in special piggy banks, safeguarding their future. Then, they must plant tiny seeds in investment land, representing their hard-earned coins. Intrigued, Tim, the most curious of the group, asks about the kinds of seeds they can plant. Mr. Moneybag's eyes twinkle as he reveals a plethora of magical seeds, golden coins that shine like the sun, little shares in big and wonderful companies, and even tiny pieces of grand houses. Each seed represents a unique investment opportunity that can grow into something extraordinary. Alex, the thoughtful one, ponders how these seeds turn into money trees and how they can grow them big and mighty. With a knowing smile, Mr. Moneybag introduces them to the magic of compounding. He explains that the longer they allow their money trees to grow, the more their magical coins will multiply. It's like a snowball effect, where their wealth grows exponentially over time. Inspired and determined, the little investors decide to embark on this captivating adventure. They start by carefully tending to their money trees, watering them with patience and nurturing them with knowledge. As the days turn into weeks and weeks into months, their small coins start growing into sparkling treasure chests, overflowing with magical coins that multiply before their eyes. Lily, who dreams of grand adventures, can't contain her excitement. She envisions exploring the world and fulfilling her wildest dreams with the treasure she's accumulated. Tim, whose heart is filled with joy, looks forward to having more time to play and have fun, now that his investments are working for him. Alex, whose mind is always curious, imagines the endless possibilities that lie ahead, turning their dreams into reality. Word of the little investors' enchanting journey spreads like wildfire, captivating the hearts of other children and grown-ups alike. Their tale becomes a beacon of hope, inspiring countless others to venture into the world of investing. The story shows that investing isn't just for the wise and experienced, but for the young and curious too. As the story continues, the little investors learn valuable lessons about patience, perseverance, and the art of investing. They witness firsthand the power of long-term thinking and the wonders of compound interest. Along the way, they encounter challenges and setbacks, but they overcome them with determination and the support of each other. Finally, after a fulfilling and adventurous journey, the little investors stand before their fully grown money trees, which have blossomed into a bountiful forest of abundance. They have unlocked the secrets of financial freedom and time freedom, and their dreams have become a reality. Lily, Tim, and Alex eagerly share their insights with each other and the viewers. Lily starts, "I used to spend my coins on small treats, but now I see the power of saving and investing for the future. It's like planting seeds of dreams and watching them grow." Tim adds, "I always wanted more time to play and have fun, and now I know that investing can help me achieve that." With our money trees growing, we have more time to enjoy life while our money works for us. Alex chimes in, "The magic of compounding is mind-blowing. Watching our money multiply over time has opened my eyes to the importance of being patient and letting our investments grow." Children and adults alike are captivated by their story, and they become an inspiration for many. Their schoolmates, friends, and family members start showing interest in investing and growing their money trees too. Mr. Moneybag, delighted by the impact the little investors have made, starts hosting workshops and seminars to teach the principles of investing to young and old alike. The enchanted world of investment land becomes a place where dreams are nurtured, and financial literacy is celebrated. With their newfound knowledge and confidence, the little investors decide to explore new investment opportunities. They learn about various asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even start small businesses of their own. Each venture becomes a stepping stone to their dreams, making them more fearless and adventurous. As the little investors thrive, they don't forget the importance of giving back to the community. With their magical wealth, they start funding projects that support education, healthcare, and the environment. They learn that financial freedom is not just about personal gain but also about using their resources to make the world a better place. As they continue their investment journey, the little investors encounter challenges and market fluctuations. But with the guidance of Mr. Moneybag and their determination, they learn to stay steady during tough times and remain focused on their long-term goals. With each passing year, the little investors' money trees grow taller and stronger, bearing fruits of success. Their once small coins have now transformed into a treasure trove of opportunities. They celebrate their achievements and milestones, sharing their joy with their friends and loved ones. As the years go by, the little investors grow older and wiser. Their financial freedom allows them to pursue their passions and dreams fearlessly. Lily becomes a travel writer, exploring the world and sharing her experiences with others. Tim becomes a philanthropist, dedicating his time and resources to causes he deeply cares about. Alex becomes an entrepreneur, turning innovative ideas into reality. The enchanting tale of the little investors lives on for generations to come. Their story becomes a symbol of hope, reminding people of the magical possibilities that lie within the world of investing. Mr. Moneybag, now an elderly sage, continues to guide young adventurers into the realm of investment land. It encourages young and old alike to embrace the captivating world of investing and unlock the power of compounding. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on investing insights. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below.